And today we're going to make a dish that, besides being really tasty, is impossible not to like. And here I have 1/4 of a Napa cabbage. Let's cut it into pieces. First, remove this tip here. I like this. More or less about 1.5 fingers in width, right? And you just put it inside the rice cooker, put everything in. Cut a carrot piece in half, about 1/2 finger thick. And now it's ready, Japanese style. And to make the dish look nice, usually, Japanese people cut it like this when it's carrot for making a stew. Mix it with Napa cabbage. Here, instead of Napa cabbage, you can use regular cabbage, or even both Napa cabbage and regular cabbage. Quail eggs. I'm adding about 10 pieces, but it's up to your taste. Mushrooms are also up to you. You can use shimeji, shiitake, or any other type of mushroom. Here I have 150 grams of seafood, but you can adjust to your taste. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of fish dashi. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of chicken broth. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You can use any soy sauce you want, light or regular. 250 ml water. A little mix. And put it to cook. Turn it on. When smoke starts coming out of the pot, count 5 minutes and turn it off. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch dissolved in a little water. Stir. Let it thicken. And you can serve it over some hot gohan. It's delicious.